Okay guys, this is a Facebook ads advanced tip. Make sure you have the Metapixel helper installed in the Google Chrome extension store right here. As you can see, you just click that when you are on the website. It should show a 1 or 2 showing you that the pixel was found in its working operation. What I want you to do is I want you to click on Metapixel troubleshoot pixel. You see troubleshoot? It's going to take you over to business.facebook.com and exactly over to the pixel that you have tracking for that site. Now what I want you to do is go over to settings, and if you look down here, this is it's kind of hidden. Turn on automatic advanced matching. So what we're going to get is more information from that user as possible. So turn that on. You can actually show what customer information, gender, name of birth, all that good stuff. Track events without code. You can even turn that one on. This is more advanced, and just click save. Whereas the save, actually just go back here. You can go back and check settings to make sure that it's done, and it may do for hold on one sec. Okay, perfect. So now you can see it is on. So I came back out and came back in just to make sure that because it doesn't have a save button here, so we're tracking all this information. Very good. This is the Facebook ads advanced tip for you guys. I hope you appreciate these. I hope you like these tips. If you did, hit that like and subscribe.